Hello everyone. So this is our very first video on the cryptocurrency, and we decided to take a look on Tron since it has been generating way too much of a market hype. So just to analyze whether it's FUD or there is anything really substantial in the background going on, like if it can be backed with something very potential or it's just any other shit coin. So for this purpose, apart from any news media publication, I mean, Tron is really active in that sector, like doing announcements after announcements. But is anything really happening in the background? So just to do the technical analysis of on that aspect, we have decided to take a look on the open source GitHub project for the Tron, which you can see on your screen. So basically, since we cannot go do like line by line comparison and line by line analysis, we'll just take a look on the pull request, like what's going on in the background, what they are doing. People who are not from the tech guys, pull requests are something like when you add some new feature or you like improve a existing feature or remove any existing bug. So if you take at the pull request, you can get not a complete idea, but like very generic idea, like how Tron is, like Tron project is going in the like technical side. Obviously, like the coin is like just recently it has gone from 0.042 to 0.056, I guess, and after that it is stabilizing. Obviously, it got listed on the multiple exchanges, Bittrex and many more, so that resulted in the increase in the volume. But is it really going on? Is it what's going on in the background? What's really happening on the technical front? Are they really creating any product, and what is the quality of that product? So the best place to look for this will be their GitHub. So this is their Tron protocol, Java Tron. This is their GitHub project, and let's see what they have been doing in the background when we are investing, obviously. So refactoring. So let's see what is this refactoring is. Files changed. Nothing much, just improving the performance, improving the code flow. Then feature improvement, move node delegate logic to separate class, enhance UX set test to coverage. Nothing much in the open pull request. Let's say in the merged side, modified type conversion. This doesn't look like fair. I mean, something which will be adding, which is adding a value to a Tron. Like it's they would have some small bugs, they would have tried to fix it. Let's look at the title, add create account, and I think this is something like they are improving their create account functionality. Get actuated by contract. And what is this, create account actuator? Yep, since like they're improving their source code. Feature add protocol, this this seems to be like doing something. Let's see what it is. Again, this is a create account actuator contract. Okay, okay, again they are improving. uh, okay, this is something. If you see a cross on a if the pull request is merged, and if you see a cross, that means it has been forced merge and it has not passed the the test criteria which were set for any pull request to go through. So that means this was like, it normally indicates a high priority push or high priority check-in. So like irrespective of what is going in the background, if any test cases for fails, this feature should be available. So let's see what it is doing. What does this PI do? Parameter loop. Okay, files changed. So they are improving the manager class. Transaction board. Okay, this seems to be doing something. Seems like this was not working, but they have made it to no. Okay, this is, they have removed the parameters. DB manager, get witness store. Yeah, just like they're fixing some bugs in this. But since it seems to be important, like Vote witness count seems to be like an, yeah, obviously for any blockchain voting matters. So this seems to be an important functionality. So probably that's why they have made a force push. Sync flow test, implement block sync feature, add, remove useless code. Wallet API wrong field, okay. Okay. They are fixing the wallet bugs. This is really important. I mean, you don't want your transactions to get lost, right? Potential raise condition, feature test style. Okay, this seems to be important. Fix multi-thread handle and receive message. Yeah, this seems to be like a really important one. Like, you don't want your message to get clustered or like stacked one after another. So it's better. You always want to have a like a parallel flow between different, I mean, for your messages. So this seems to be like a good check-in. Okay, these are like witness TV, so that's nice. So I mean, whenever there is a cross on any pull request, it really makes me like wonder to check what why it is so important that it was not, it didn't even wait for the test cases to pass. So let's take a look at this. File changed, witness get witness to, set witness to get pending transactions. Like frankly, I'm not able to. I mean, obviously, I have to go through line by line from for each file to understand what each function is doing. But looking at the nomenclature of each function, it seems to be like get pending transactions. So yeah, it's important, right? Tron database witness store extends. Okay, this is like storing. This is improvement or like addition. I'm not sure they are what they are doing. This is a new file, so they're improving their Tron database. And anything else? Modify create transactions. Build transaction. Okay, wallet. This is a wallet, and they're improving or they're fixing the bugs in their transaction codes. Yeah. So like obviously I cannot go through all the pull requests. Like from what we saw till now, it gives impression that they are fixing the bugs or they're improving the functionality of the create account, like the user, like so the user can come and create the account. Whatever bugs they have, like the wallets, they are fixing that. Whatever bugs they have in message flow, they are fixing that. Whatever bugs they have in like transaction happening between two different wallets, they are fixing that. So not a major, I cannot see any check-ins which is gone for like media distribution, which is the like which was promised by them, like for which the very fundamental of a Tron is based on that, like having a media accessing the media via blockchain, right? Like having storing the media on the blockchain and then accessing to that. I mean, that's what I remember they were saying. I cannot see any code related to that, but since like this is not their mainnet and they are gonna launch the testnet, so testnet is, I mean, obviously a testnet could be like the simple to and fro transaction between two different users that will be like a POC, like proof of concept uh, product. So like yeah, this is working. So yeah, it seems to be like they're preparing for the testnet launch, like with the very minimal functionable product, so that user can get, like we as investors can get some bit of a confidence in them. That's good, but like what they are doing in the background, I would definitely like to see if they are doing any progress on the media storage product that is for their mainnet. But again, that's like in the July or May. Yeah, May 31st, I guess. So for the testnet, this all seems to be look good. Like yeah, so since product seems to be good, definitely, it will install like a very big confidence in Tron investors, and from the money point of view, you can definitely expect a price to go a bit up high. Thank you.